Well, welcome back to Harvest at Overbury 2026. This is day one. We are on the 6th of July, 2 days earlier than last year, and probably 7 to 10 days earlier than normal, which is the way the last couple of seasons seem to have been going. These very, very hot spells of weather, heat wave week before last, and one at the end of May, making these crops ripen very, very quickly. Well, I say ripen, more like kind of died off probably. Somewhere in there is the S790 this year with a Flex Draper 241, so we've gone up a little bit in header size. This is 12.3 meters, 40 feet, enables us to match up nicely with our tram lines at 36 meters, 9 meter drill. So we have this year about 900 hectares to combine here, a couple of hundred on the neighbouring farm. So we've got a little bit of work ahead of us. But it's off to a good start in terms of moisture. Started this morning 15.9%, very rapidly got down to about 12%. You can see how kind of brittle the straw has become. Kind of died off really, as opposed to ripening, and the combine, even with wide sieves and everything, or wide concave rather, yeah, slow rotor is making a bit of a mess of it. The crop on the whole, when you look at it, is okay, but when you get in, there are these patches here, which is wheat dwarf virus, which is going to take the shine off this part of the harvest, coupled with very, very dry March, April, May. But we'll get into those stats a bit later on as harvest kind of rolls along. But yeah, we should be cracking on with barley for the rest of this week. Then we'll move on to oilseed rape. We have some winter triticale, which is the first for us, then winter wheat. And then we've also got some hemp later on to do, but that will be not combined, it's growing that for the fibre. So we've also got some spring oats, some spring barley and some spring wheat, and they're all rapidly ripening in this hot weather. So do stay tuned for a daily log, hopefully over the next sort of 27, 28 days. We should get harvest wrapped up. Last year we finished on the 13th of August. The weather stays dry, we might have a chance of beating that this time. So we've already made a start. We're swathing this field. This is going to go into some broccoli next year. We have 2 fields that we chopped. One of those is already cover cropped and rolled in, all planted, ready to go. So that will sit there and wait for some moisture. And we'll try and keep updated both on the combine, the cultivations that we need to do, and then the drill as well. So stay tuned, come back for your daily update from Overbury Enterprises and Harvest 2026.